Hello, everybody. I'm the principal of the Orange Blizzard Blueberry Bears St. Joseph National School. I would like to delight you into our welcome system and a warm welcoming to those who are new to the school. I want you all to feel a great supply of awesomeness what we have for our school. Our grades is pre-K through 12th grade and a college among it. When you enlist or become instated in our private Christian school, it only costs $100 to come in our school and be enrolled. We have the most elite special boys 12 through 20-year-olds for our baseball and wrestling team. And we do have some kids who have to repeat classes from the year back and they still haven't graduated. That's why we have 20-year-olds who are on our wrestling and baseball team. We are the most strongest team in the universe. We present the best drag sports you could ever watch. This is our first video. I want you to think and immortalize what I'm trying to say to you. This is an important message to all of them. Your associate principals are John Henke, John Feist, and Alyssia McBears. I am RJ McBears, and my son is RJ McBears Jr. My full name and his is RJ St. Joseph McBears, and he's a junior because I named him the same way as my name is. And he's our star highlighted player of our baseball team and wrestling team. He's only 16 years old, and I want you to join. I want your families to see how awesome we play, as we do understand the protocols of the virus, and the virus affects a lot of families. We do not condemn any toleration of any racism, hatred of religion, and we will take care of it. Our staff are very, very trained to do so. But we haven't had that. We are a very good school, one of the most rated Christian private schools in the USA. And I'm proud of it. I'm proud of everybody for that. Thank you very much. And I hope you all have a great, warm, welcomed school year. I'm your principal, founder, or founding father of the school. Stay healthy. Keep your families safe. Keep your families healthy. If we do our part, and I do my part, we will be climbing down the numbers in no time. Make sure you keep yourself clean, wear a mask, and make sure you follow expectations in the school, as we do have virtual and hybrid students.